paranormal activities in temples. We go to temples to pray to the Lord, right? However, what if the temple itself becomes a part of paranormal activities? Exorcism in temples. Temples sometimes play host to supernatural activities, and many of them practice exorcism to weed out the unnatural elements of the society. Here are a few temples in India that practice exorcism. Mehendipur Balaji Temple, Rajasthan. One of the most famous temples of paranormal activities, the Mehendipur Balaji is a must visit for those who believe in ghosts. Heart-wrenching scenes. The temple sees sights such as people chaining themselves to walls and pouring boiling water on themselves. Once leaving the place, you should not turn back, and lest the evil spirit will catch you. Hazrat Sayyid Ali Mira Datar Dargah, Gujarat. As you are taking a stroll around the Dargah, you can hear screams of people shouting. Sometimes spirit sightings too have been spotted. Driving spirits away. It is said that the Maulvis at the Dargah don't discriminate between Hindus and Muslims while doing exorcism. Everyone comes to the temple to drive evil spirits away. Devji Maharaj Mandir, Malajpur. This temple hosts a Bhoot Mela every year. At every full moon, people come to this temple to cure themselves. At this night, spirits are also seen. Inviting pain. People here light camphor on their palms to purify themselves of the evil spirits. Dattatreya Mandir, Gangapur. This temple is situated in Madhya Pradesh, Betul district, and people come here on new moon every year. The deafening silence here is only broken by the screams of people who come for exorcism. Hurling abuses. Here the Mahamangal Aarti begins at 11:30 am and people can be seen hurling abuses at God. Sometimes people get hurt during the process too. Nizamuddin Dargah, Delhi. A secluded room here is said to be the room of ghosts. Weird noises can be heard from here along with shouting and screaming. Satanic spirits. It is said that people come here to relieve themselves of satanic spirits that are possessing them. So what exactly is exorcism? Let's find out. The definition. The Catholic Encyclopedia defines exorcism as the act of driving out or warding off demons or evil spirits from persons, places or things which are believed to be possessed or infested by them or are liable to become victims or instruments of their malice. There are many types of exorcism in the Roman Catholic Church. Baptismal exorcism. This involves baptizing an infant to release him from sins conducted in a previous birth. Simple exorcism. This involves blessing a person or thing to release it from evil influence. Real exorcism. It involves cleansing the body of a diabolical possession. This type of exorcism can physically harm a person or even result in his death. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.